How to fix 0xc0000225, boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible when booting Windows PC. 1. Change the boot order in BIOS. 2. Run a startup repair in Windows Safe mode. 3. Repair master boot. Record in command prompt subsection in Windows Safe mode. Commands include /rebuild bcd /fix mbr /fix bootsec/nt60 sys or bootsec/nt60 all 4. Repair corrupted disks and system. Files in command prompt subsection in Windows Safe mode. Commands include chktsk/fc, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Perform a system restore. 6. Remove your third-party antivirus using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 7. For Azure VM users, add the OS-device variable. Commands includes, disk part. List disk select disk hashtag list partition select partition hashtag assign letter equals x /store letter of boot folder /boot /bcd /enum now. For generation 1 BMS, /store letter of boot folder /boot /bcd /set identifier OS device boot. For generation 2 BMS, /store letter of EFI folder EFI /Microsoft /boot /bcd /set identifier OS device boot. If you have multiple partition OS disks. Generation 1 BMS, /store letter of boot folder /boot /bcd /set identifier OS device partition equals letter of Windows folder Generation 2 BMS, /store letter of EFI folder EFI /Microsoft /boot /bcd /set identifier OS device partition equals letter of Windows folder Enable serial console and memory dump collection and run AZVM repair run. Source https:// Troubleshoot Windows Boot Manager error 0xc0000225 status not found.